Jose, Jose, are you there? See? Oh my fucking gosh, Jose's here! Jose's in the house!
Charlie, are you here?
Oh!
Tyrone, are you here? Bro, what the fuck, bro? I'm getting out of here, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you?
Okay. Charlie, are you here?
What the fuck? Fuck no.
Alright,
I'm about to do this, John, man.
alright, go on. Charlie, are you here? Charlie. This is
Oh. What the? Oh! Charlie, are you here? Yo, nope.
Are you here? Who is here? Is Charlie here?
Yeah, that's what I funny.
I'm messing with him, bro.
Is Charlie here? Let's let this nigga go have a fucking rampage.
Charlie, are you here?
Exist, folks. It's a...
Asian not here though. Oh!
Oh my god. Are you here? Charlie here? This nigga go have a fucking rampage.
Charlie, my nigga, what you like to eat?
Charlie, are you here?
Hello, is it me you're looking for?
Charlie, are you? No, he's not here. He will never be here because I am a child of God. I do not play that double shit. White people do this shit. I am black. I diverse in movies. It's not gonna be this. Not this time, bitch. Fuck out of here.
Oh God! Ah, it's real! Get out! We gotta go! Oh. What the fuck just happened? But I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Charlie, are you there? No mames! No!
Alright, here we go. Charlie.
It's Fetty Wap, baby. Demons, don't you come my way. I got nothing I want to say.
Are you here?
Charlie, would you date me? Do you think I'm cute? Charlie, are you here to harm us? Wait, go back to no. You're bugging out. Oh my god!
Charlie, are you there? Charlie, do you want to play? Oh my god. Wait, these what? Oh my god! What was that? Oh my god!
Charlie, who did 9/11?
Charlie, are you here right now? Charlie, are you here?
Hey Charlie, you know Rico fucked your mom.
Danny, are you here?
We gotta go! Not today, Satan!
Hey Charlie, my nigga, do you be eating my booty when I be asleep?
The fuck was that?
Shit. The devil is a lie.
I have my hand right here, so I'm not gonna cheat, alright? Let's see. What do I ask him? Charlie, will I ever get some pussy? This nigga dead ass trying me.
Alright, bro, since you all up in my house, laying your balls wherever you want, grabbing my Fruit Loops and fucking Captain Crunch, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. But let me ask you this. Do you smoke weed, bro? Be honest, marijuana. Do you smoke marijuana? I just want to know. I guess this isn't a question you answer. Do you smoke weed?
Oh shit, my boy! Yo, let's light up a blunt, bro. Let's light up a blunt. We gonna be chill.
Charlie, are you here right now?
No, nigga.
Oh, you here? Charlie. Oh, you here?
bitch. Oh shit.
I'm gonna do the second time. Charlie, are. Now let me tell y'all about Jesus, okay?
Charlie, are you here? Oh, hey!
Charlie, are you here? Charlie,
What are you doing?
It's Daddy. It's just like a game where the pencil moves by itself. It's called Charlie, are you here?
The pencil must move by itself. Who is moving it?
The demon.
The demon. Are you high? Which demon? Do you need deliverance or what? Instead of you should be saying Jesus, are you here? You are saying Charlie. Charlie. Which Charlie is that? Is it the Chinese Charlie you are talking about or which one? Eh?
Charlie, are you here?
Okay, I'm finna do the Charlie challenge. I want to see if this shit real. I got my paper, see, you can hear it and everything. So here you go. All right, hold on. Here we go. Show you. Bitch, you got me fucked up. You think I'm finna do that shit? Nigga, spirits? Spirits? Really? This one? Spirits? Read a book.
Charlie, are you here? Yo, nope.
I want to play. Are you here?
Oh God! Ah, it's real! Get out! We gotta go! Oh no, we ain't doing this today. Oh no, we can't do this today. We go. Oh no.
Charlie, are you here?
Oh my God.
Charlie, are you here?
Yes.
Here I go. Charlie can lick my nutsack. What? Y'all out here calling on demons? When was the last time you called on the name of the Lord? Talking about you want to play with Charlie. When was the last time you said, ooh, I want to play in the church worship team band or something like that? Everybody know how to play an instrument. I don't. But like, what? Why is this trending? No.
Charlie, are you there? Charlie, are you...
No! Don't come to me with that Charlie shit. I am a child of the Lord. Please stop inviting Satan onto my timeline. That boy is dead. Leave him alone. It is time for him to sleep. And it is time for you to sleep too, boo. It is 11 p.m. Talk to Satan in the morning. Good night.
Charlie, are you here? Bitch ass nigga, move your ugly ass freaking pencil head ass like shit, boy, with your kicking hairline.
Hey yo, Charlie, cuz you trying to buy my mixtape?
Why?
Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Oh hell no. Fuck this.
You non-believers, bruh, y'all gonna get proven wrong. Bruh, don't do this shit. You're gonna have to have a conversation with the motherfucker and everything. Alright, man, so, Charlie, you here to harm me, man? You're not here to harm me, right, bro? Like, you ain't. See, that's what I'm talking about, Charlie, my nigga!
Alright. People be messing around with this Charlie stuff. I don't believe it. Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you freaking here?
No way!
Charlie, are you here?
Oh, hell, mama! We moving out?
Am I ugly? Oh, okay, thanks.
I think everybody else just had some wind blowing in their house or something, because Charlie is not coming. Oh, what the fuck? Charlie, I'm sorry. I swear to God, I did not mean to call you no pussy, my nigga. Is you mad? Is you mad?
You,
bro, like my nigga.
Marcus.
I swear to God. Oh, no, you not mad? Oh, yes, you mad? I'm sorry. I swear to God, I shouldn't have said you was pussy for my nigga. I am sorry. Hey, look, bro.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with y'all? You niggas are crazy!
Charlie, you wanna play outside? You wanna play outside?
Charlie, Charlie, are you? You know what? Hell no, I'm not doing this motherfucking challenge. You know what happens when you do this? A fucking demon haunts your fucking ass for the rest of your life. Have you not so insidious? You know that fucking demon motherfucking thing? It has them long ass claws and the fucking horse feet? I'm not fucking with it. I got my saw here. I got my fucking water. It's not holy water, but it's what I have to fucking do. And I got my motherfucking cross here. Right here. Don't you dare play. I ain't fucking with no Annabelle demon either. Oh my god.
You kidding me, man? Is that baby really mine? What, bitch? Charlie told me everything.
Alright, I'm finna play this Charlie game. Here go my hand right here, so won't nobody think I'm cheating anything. Here you go. Okay. Charlie, are you here? Charlie, may I play? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Fuck no. Hell no. Oh, my God. This shit is real. Fuck no.
Charlie, can jet fuel melt steel beams?
I am the king. Are you here? Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, Charlie, ¿estás aquí? Charlie, Charlie, por favor, si estás aquí, manifiéstate. ¿Qué carajo?